bubbles are getting out. Assalamu alaikum. कैसा है भाई? Open the door. Ah, wow. The braces.
Yeah, it cost sometime 1.5 lakh.
كيف حالك?
زين ما في مشكلة.
ما في مشكلة. ها؟
I smell it. Your perfume is so good.
Really?
Yes.
शुक्रिया भाई.
MashaAllah. His voice were good. पूरी नारंगावी ज़लज़ला दुलावंगी.
Once again.
Once again.
A great afternoon, right? Everyone's playing, kids playing. Importantly, I will say why these days I was offline. Assalamu alaikum. So, this is fresh milk. Fresh. हाँ सही है, ठीक है भाई. कैसा है? ठीक है. ज़बरदस्त. हाँ. Okay, alright. I just came to tell you, right, that after so long time I came live on channel and a quick telling you that I was quite busy these days also. Samosa. Biscuit. Can I? Biscuit. Come. Biscuits. Oh yeah, this is okay. 2. Okay.
2.
Yeah, 2. Say 2. Okay. So chai. Wait. Before that, we have to see the chai. It's bubbles are getting out and chai is getting ready. Fresh chai. आपका name भाई? आपका name?
मोहम्मद अयाज.
Muhammad Ayaz. Abdullah Muhammad Bilal. Okay. And there is the cleaning. And look at that. The huge ton of I'm so insane, like crazy, huge graveyard. And as all, we all will go to this place, right? We all will have to go to these graveyards. So let me clear to you now. What will I do? I have only 2 chances. Like I have only 2 ways. The main thing is to stick to it and show it to my family that yeah, YouTube is really making something, and yeah, surely I can focus on it. And the second thing is that for till now Ramadan, right, till the days of Ramadan, I will focus on my channel, right? If it shows something interesting, right, so I will tell to my family the channel growth, and these are the viewers which supports me. This is maybe uni people or any other complex, but they're literally playing very nice. What the heck is doing? Look at that. Well, let me show you what he's like punching, and Mr. Punching is doing exercising of their fingers, right? Literally super crazy, super crazy exercise that is. Oh my goodness, immense crazy. To call them, okay, which field they are working in, right? Let's see, maybe if they are coming, so we will do hi, how are you, hi, hello, and then I have to go, right? It's getting night, so before getting night I will have to do hi, hello, and then I will go. Okay, hi, hello, let's कैसा है भाई? Come. So he's doing some exercise, right? Before 5 minutes I'm noticing you.
अच्छा.
How are you? कैसा है भाई?
And you?
कैसा है? Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
अच्छा.
What's your good name?
My name is Amir Aziz Daud.
Abdullah Muhammad Bilal.
Abdullah Muhammad
Shukriya
Bilal.
bhai.
Okay.
And you?
Hassan.
Yes.
Hassan.
How much does it cost to to make these braces?
Yeah, it cost sometime 1.5 lakh.
Okay. And the process is of 2 years.
I think 2 years. It depends on teeth. Your name is Abdullah?
Abdullah. Aywa.
Achha.
Arabi? Anyone speak Arabi?
I know a little bit Arabic.
كيف حالك؟
زين ما في مشكلة.
ما في مشكلة. شلون حالك؟
I don't know enough.
Okay.
Yes.
And what about you?
Qasim.
Qasim. Oh, your confidence is very low.
confidence is
Yeah, to be confident. Be confident.
He's
very
more
confident,
confident than
yes.
us.
Okay, then
But
you
just
watch.
very-
but I
Pretend to
have
be.
no medium to deliver something.
Okay, which fields you working on?
Uh,
All of
We
you
are
work.
medical students.
Medicals.
yeah, MBBS
It's a
student.
dentist or anything like.
MBBS.
MBBS.
Oh, you have to go to England then.
Yeah.
Like my
After clearing
chachu.
step 1 and step 2.
Yeah, my all
Yeah.
chachus they are in England, and now before 1 year they came to Qatar now. Like they're living in Qatar because it's a huge, nice salaries. If the compound of Qatar, so you know, the embassy of Qatar is called them, and then they come to
Your
Qatar.
perfume is so good.
Huh?
I smell it. Your perfume is so good.
Really?
Yes.
Shukriya, bhai. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's
name of this perfume?
it's called Oud.
Oud.
Oud. Oud.
Oud. Oh.
Yeah. Very famous in Khalij.
Yes.
In Arab, you know, in the Middle East, it's very
A
famous.
well-known perfume.
Yeah,
I know
shukriya.
about Oud.
Shukriya, bhai.
Did
Shukriya.
you buy it from Yusuf Bhai?
Huh?
Yusuf Bhai, you know it?
No, I don't know. I
You
have.
don't know
It's
Yusuf Bhai, he's in Instagram.
it's a. No. That's a sheikh.
Yes,
No,
yes.
I haven't. I buy this in Villaggio. You know, if you see on Google Villaggio, so that's the most famous mall in Qatar.
Acha, acha.
Yeah, so I bought this there. Shukriya for your
Thank you, thank you.
appreciation.
Thank you.
Shukriya.
Thank you, thank
So in how many years you three will get?
Just 2 years remaining. Yeah.
You also
Yes,
same classes.
Same class
Same
fellow.
class.
Okay.
We are colleagues.
You will go to England or serve in Pakistan?
USA,
No,
to US.
England.
England.
Yes.
Yeah, very you
We
know
are preparing for.
high jobs and a very nice
Yeah.
salary in England, and MBBS is very quite tough field. Everyone should to be 90 percentage like this, right?
Yeah.
And the dentist is also.
Yes.
Even the dentist is more tougher than medical, or
No, they are equally. Yeah, the same. They are same.
everyone's equal.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They are same in difficulty.
Yeah. But no worries, I have to choose the business one.
You have.
Business, yeah.
Aha.
Car showroom.
Acha, acha.
ايوه. So only Arabic كيف حالك ها؟ ماك معلوم عربي.
No, no.
يلا شكرا جزاك الله.
Shukran.
I just
Are you
asked.
making vlogs?
Yeah, I just
You write the name?
Expert Gaming 21.
Expert?
XPERTGAMING 21.
Expert MG?
Gaming 21.
Expert Gaming 21 without space.
Expert Gaming.
This is
21.
not E, okay? It's X.
Acha, acha.
And secondly, I just called you to come here to ask you that which fields you're working on. So that's all my confusion was.
Acha, acha.
And before so many time, I was noticing you guys like
Yeah.
jumping, and you were jumping, and then hands
He's our
exercising.
teacher.
Oh,
Yes,
he's the
he's our
teacher.
Taught us the exercise.
Can
that's
you
why.
show your biceps?
Biceps, show him, yeah, he's such a muscles.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mashallah. His biceps were good.
It is
Strong.
homemade.
yeah, strong like egg type, strong, very strong. Your chest looks like you have maybe joined the gym because
no,
you look like.
I never joined gym, but I am doing home exercise.
Home
No, he's
exercise.
telling a lie. 5 months
2
ago, you are
months,
joining
only
the
2
gym.
months.
Okay, 5 months.
Yeah, 5
Oh,
months ago.
5 months ago.
Yeah.
But then he left it and he do
Because of
Gym is a
preparation
bit-
for exam.
Gym is very tough responsibility.
Yes.
Very tough in the daily life. If you are doing something else, it's like
Yeah.
MBBS, very tougher than the gym also.
Yes.
So he is very nice, like strong, intelligent.
Yeah.
All three are intelligence here because MBBS mostly they are intelligence.
Yes.
So again, thank you.
Thank you
Again,
buddy.
shukriya, bye.
Love you.
Where do you stay here?
I do stay in town.
Shackleton Town?
Yeah.
In sector?
You
Which
also?
sector?
You also?
No,
Where,
we are
you-
in hostel. We are hostel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where are you?
Basically, we are from Waziristan.
Waziristan. I was about to go to Quetta, but some people said to me not to go to Quetta.
No.
Yes, it's beautiful. You should visit.
Yeah, Waziristan is very
Search,
nice.
search about Razmak and Shawali in Nurdistan in YouTube.
Okay, so that's so safe. Which places are safe?
Razmak and Shawal.
Oh, okay. Like
yeah.
these are the capitals of that.
No, not capital. They are very beautiful.
They are villas.
Beautiful.
Okay, beautiful.
Some of us in beauty.
And what about you?
I'm
Martha?
from Banno, ground little.
Bannu.
Zamin area, that's why. We live in plain area. They're in hills areas.
Yeah.
We are
there.
not in hilly areas. We are also in plain areas.
Okay, so
But
you are like fully in
basically he is Wazir.
Wazir.
Yeah, but
Ah.
stay in Banu.
About which tribes?
It is a
You're-
tribe. You know.
Wazir is the name of tribe.
Ah, okay.
In Waziristan, there
So-
are 3 tribes.
There is someone like, you know, down you and you're the senior.
No, in Waziristan, there are 3 tribes.
Okay,
Dawud,
3.
Masood and Wazir.
3 tribes.
yeah.
Okay, most of the peoples are, Wazir peoples are in Qatar
That's
also.
why
Yes.
the name
So
was
many.
given- That's why
So many.
the name
Yeah.
is Waziristan.
Okay,
Because
Waziristan.
Wazir are in majority
Ah.
in Waziristan.
And I have heard Wazir song also, so nice.
Yeah.
Jine, 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 like
Uh-huh.
it's like this type of.
One
And
of one of best Wazir song. Kori nadangavi zalzala dolavangi.
what? Once again,
Once again. Sing it.
look at this. It's so cold, and he got so sweating. Look at this. It's so cold, right? And look at his head. So much sweating
Yes.
by song.
After heavy exercise. No, not
Ah,
by song. After heavy
okay.
exercise. We're doing heavy
Okay,
exercise.
you three sing.
Uh,
You three sing together.
just me. They are. They
Okay.
are.
They don't know.
No, they don't know. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Bismillah.
Okay, I will try my best.
Okay. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
No, Bismillah. No. Kori nadangavi zalzala dolawangina de to braga langai. It's a famous song in
Ah,
Uzbekistan.
crazy. Yalla, kafu. Kafu. That feeling comes when I see the friends, and the friends are very beloved to me. So,
Thank you.
Thank
And
Yeah.
I know one Saraiki poet.
you
Yeah.
can say.
I am saying
Yeah,
to
yeah.
you. And my friend Shakasim will translate it
Okay.
in Pashto.
Oh, Pashto, okay.
Yeah. I will
Saraiki.
Saraiki and he will translate in Pashto.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Please translate it, okay?
Don't laugh.
Yes. Sanu per na pandi adat na.
Bismillah.
Sanu per na pandi adat na.
Adatna.
شتا ورل جوله عادت د مونږ نه ده.
Tu sa per na pe asa chup kar gaye.
چې دای شتا ورل دل ز خپل چوپ دوړل.
No, in English,
Tu
like.
sa which bazar de sad sad ke.
چې ته چې د کیم بازور نه تیرې شه صدا کېډې رګا.
Sade shol bane asa chup kar gaye.
Ah.
Which bara
چې شغل کړلو او بدای صدا کې کړل.
o keda Shakir aman da wasda ha.
چې شکر امر غوښتو وای کېډای کړل.
Tu sa
And-
watan chode asa chup kar gaye.
وی چې دای وطن پر شو دای چوپ خالی تیر شو.